All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. I'm Roland Attenborough, the Market Master, and thank you for joining us. We're going to be talking about the U.S. Debt Clock Org. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is the U.S. Debt Clock Org. You should go punch this in and have a look at this. We're going to take a real quick look at this. Let's go have a look at the important things. Right now, the debt is 36 trillion. Doji right now is saving us this much, and today it takes about a week to make an extra $100 to save for each citizen. So they're doing quite a good job at breaking down the debt for every citizen and taxpayer. Anyways, that's a really good savings right now. So 200 billion already saved. That's really good. Okay, we're going to move down and we're going to have a little look below here. And right now, Doji is at this time saving us this amount of money and finding savings in all these areas. Land, right, the stock market. And they've recaptured now $7 trillion. That's pretty good, which is a total savings. Here, let me just move this over here. Right. Wealth per citizen generated, almost 500,000. Doji's doing a pretty good job. By the way, I wanted to go up here and point out that, right, gold per ounce for the G7 nations together should be 72,000 per ounce. The BRICS nations, right, 136,000. So if we add these two, it'll be 108,000 or 208,000, which I think is what Bitcoin will be in when it makes its top in the later part of this year, in the 17, 18, and particularly the 19th month from the halving event. You can go have a look at my stuff. Anyways, I thought I'd just show you that. Oh, by the way, there's some major stuff here I wanted to show you, by the way. Right, that's silver, supposed to be 1,500 an ounce, and gold should be up here. Okay, let's go have a look at the secret window. This is pretty weird. I really wanted to show you this. You go over here, open this tab, and this becomes populated. I'm gonna open this up and show you, but you need to really look at this. There's some really strange things. These look like eclipse lines here. Here's some planets, and here's a constellation that looks like Virgo, and something's going on and that's September. So something's happening at the end of this year where I think Bitcoin and gold will be making a top, and I think I'm right. Anyways, go check it out. There's a lot of weird symbolism in here. Not weird, but there's a lot of symbolism in here. Alpha, Omega, and America's got something going on here. So, golden age of wonders. Go check it out. Peace and love, guys.